Hello fan community, Braxton here. So, got some updates for you all. Also, I'm demonstrating a new fan I got today. Not this, but it's something bigger and way better. You guys might love this. Now, if you may be wondering, what's this blade go to? Surprise! This is a 100 subscriber special, and yeah, which I'm really happy that I got 100 subscribers pretty dang quickly. But before we start, we got Cody from Vintage Harbories, etc.
What's up, y'all?
Yep. And now if you might be hearing some drilling because you might be hearing him working and all that stuff. Because he's getting ready to move. Not gonna say where. That's private, so I'm just gonna say he's moving. That's it. But other than that, let's get started. They're both on. This is a Relite Airmaster. That's a view fan. This view fan was hanging here before the Relite Airmaster was, but I decided to replace it. Whew. Yeah, I forgot to mention something else. The bearings are real rough on it. It's enough to where it stalls out with both fans on one control. But whenever it's on its own control, it runs perfectly. It runs on low whenever on its own control. How weird is that, Cody?
I think that's pretty...
It's pretty weird, isn't it?
I think you ought to service that before you get too carried away.
Yeah. It really needs new bearings. But here's a medium low. The bearings have been starting to improve on it, though. Because I've been running it ever since I hung it up. Some of you will like this. One of the blades are bent badly. They're like, one of them's mangled up. Okay. So, here's the one that's bad. Yeah. Ooh. Almost fell backwards. That would not been good. This is going to be permanent in this spot until I find something better. It'll be permanent unless I find something better. Isn't that right, Cody?
Yeah.
Alright, so now let's go up to medium. Whew. Now this thing used to wobble badly. It still kind of does, but not nearly as bad. It used to wobble like right in there. But since I fixed that problem, it doesn't wobble as bad now. Yeah, you hear the bearings right. You hear the bearings all right. Now let's go up to full speed. Move the stool out of the way. Also, it's ticking because of the blades. Don't know why the blades are doing that. It's a windstorm in here. Now, spin down. Now, the bearings are probably as bad as the Pro line at Mark's Feed Store. And I got this off of eBay for like $140? Yeah, $140. Yeah, look at that. These are bad. You can see why I need to give this service. View fan's still going pretty fast. Oh yeah. The reason why there's a black down rod is because there was a down rod. I'll go show you this on the down rod it came with. Yeah, look at how extremely long this is. This would not work in the basement. It would just probably hit me in the head. Whew. Probably would hit me in the head if I had it on there. Yeah, right around there. That would hit me in the chest, actually. Which would not be too good. So that's why I put the black down rod on, and I don't have any spare industrial down rods that are not as tall as this one. So that's why I used the black one from my Four Seasons 2. But yeah, do you have anything else to say? Oh, hold on a minute. Almost forgot. 0 to high. I forgot to do 0 to high there. Now, let's turn it back off. Do you have anything else to say now, Cody?
No.
Okay. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, have a good rest of your day, folks, and peace!